yeah, this is at 0 decibels. This is a test if what settings should be the best for the ZV-E10 and the Rode Wireless Go 2. So I have the fan at the back na nakatutok sa akin. So hopefully, hindi marinig yung ambient noise, but the voice would still be audible enough for the listeners to understand. So yeah, thanks and have a nice day. Bye-bye. Now, this is another test for how much or how far away the mic could record, or if this is something that we could do. So right now, may ventilador sa taas. It's pretty much quiet in here, so pero may echo pa rin. So I'm not sure if this is something that would be audible, audible. And we are now at 0 decibels settings for the Rode Wireless Mic 2. So, kailangan ko lumayo ng konti para hindi cut yung head ko. Kasi naka-APS-C sensor tayo. And looks like my voice is registering well. It's not too soft, but it's not peaking as much as I can see. I'm looking at the articulated screen beside the camera right now. So, ayun. Nakakasarbo ba ako, Tilab? Hindi naman ako rinig, no? Nung kausap mo, hindi naman.
Hindi ka makapag-contact na marinig.
Hindi, okay lang, okay lang. Yun nga yung maganda eh. Pag nagsalita ka, at least alam ko kung masasagap.
Eh, malapit ako.
Hindi, ito yung mic ko.
Ayun. Copy.
So, wireless.
Ikaw na.
Again, mic. Check. 1, 2. 1, 2, mic. Check. So, am I still in frame? Can you still me? Can the camera still track me? So, let's end the video here. So, yeah. Bye. Again, this is the test for the mic. Right now, we are doing a dual channel test. I'm on channel 1 and JJ is on channel 2.
I'm
Sabi
channel
ka nga,
2.
Jay.
Hi. Sound mic 1, 2, 3. Sound test 1, 2, 3.
So supposedly, what it does is it gives you the 1, 2 channel, meaning ako yung left, siya yung right.
Yep.
But right now, we are doing this so that yung audio na nare-record sa receiver would not be merged. So, pwede pa siyang ma-edit sa post. So, yun. Anything you want to say to your fans?
Guys, susuportahan niyo po ang Code at Kwento. At ang magkuya, please subscribe.
Yan. Tsaka po yung 10 utos.
Yung 10 utos. Kailangan natin ng likes.
Parang awa nyo na po.
Para awan nyo na, mahal mo parihab.
Yan. So, ikaw yung lumapit, ako yung lalayo.
So ako yung lumalapit ngayon, I'm channel 2. And hi, si Kuya yung malapit. And here's the channel 1. Ginagawa ulit namin to for testing. So, channel 2, mic test, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Check sound. So our settings right now is we are at 0 decibels for both mics. So the gain is at 0 decibels. Earlier we have tested it at -9 decibels. And then I have adjusted it to -6. And right now we are at flat 0. So hopefully hindi nagpipeak yung sounds. Maabot ba dun sa dulo?
Malabo mata ko eh.
Ay, hindi mo na. Yan. So, yeah, we'll end the video here. Thanks and bye-bye.